In this video, I will show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped 2022. In order to do this, it's actually very easy, and they've actually made it a lot easier to do than last year. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Spotify. And once that's done, you'll be taken to your home screen like so. So from your home screen, you should actually see the Spotify Wrapped. Normally it's under the recently played section. However, if for any reason this is not showing, it's very easy to find. All you need to do is come down and click the search button at the bottom. And then at the top, you just want to go ahead and type 2022 Wrapped. And you'll see what's going to happen is this is going to come up. So at the very top, you'll see it says 2022 Wrapped genre. And if you go ahead and give that a click, this is going to take you across to your Spotify 2022 Wrapped. And you can see there's a lot of different information on this page. So you've got, for example, the best of 2022, and then stuff related to yourself, upcoming events related to certain music you listen to, as well as things like different merchandise and a ton of other things that you can look at and do. Also, when you click on the search, sometimes it should come up in the browse all section. You can see it's just here. And this normally is available in the first week of December. So if you give this a try, you should actually have access now. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then make sure you do leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.